The Amazon Echo Show 10 is unique from other Amazon smart speakers since it follows you wherever you go in the room. No matter if you're following a recipe, making a video call, or watching Netflix, you'll always be able to see the screen and camera. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this smart speaker and see what's in the box. We found a classy Echo Show 10 30-watt Glacier White power adapter, motion footprint template, and quick start guide. As far as design goes, the Amazon Echo Show 10 is miles ahead of its predecessors. In addition to its cylindrical shape, the newest Echo Show has a 10-inch display attached to the front. But its height is not as tall as the Amazon Studio. The display on the Echo Show 10 is so vivid and clear that it can be seen and read in direct sunlight with no trouble at all. The 10.1-inch touchscreen has a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. There are two color options for the gadget, black and white. There are many more features on the Amazon Echo Show 10, and we've outlined some of its highlights here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. Overall, the sound quality is good but lacks deep bass. From a versatility point of view, it's very good as it supports calling, messaging, and different audio tailoring. Additionally, it excels in terms of easy operating systems. In a nutshell, considering the ease of use, accuracy, versatility, design, and build quality, the performance score is 67 out of 100. After analyzing thousands of consumer feedback on the Amazon Echo Studio, we found that consumers are delighted with the excellent screen and speaker combo, loud and crisp sound, and useful home security features. In contrast, the user is dissatisfied with the device's Alexa ecosystem. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.